Okay, this is the one I had designed a long time ago, just basically for a network marketing program, showing people the possible percentage of money they can make if they do certain conditions. So we have, I forget the company name, is a 72-hour club. The first month, right, if you make 2 sales, right, and each sale, right, is 100, right, and basically you get $50 on the commission once you have 2 sales done. And then the binary part, which is extra, you're getting a 10%. So 10% is $5, right, from the 50. Next one, if you second month, right, you've got those 2 get their 2, so it's 200, $100 per leg, $10 commission. So we go all the way down to the 15th month. 15th month, look at the sales, 1.6 million. Your commission per leg is 819,000, and the earning is 81,000. So when we take the total of all this commission, these 2 rows here are commissions that you make. So you have this, you get 1.6 million, and this one here you get a 10%, 163,000. Don't worry about the concept of the program or not. It's not that. What I was trying to show is how we can use the spreadsheet to create a data. Now I speed rush the thing. I said, okay, this is if we did it in 15 months. If we do it in 3 days, if you get 2 people in 3 days and they get 2 people in 3 days, that's 3, 6, 9, 12. At the end of 45 days, you make exact same amount of money. Instead of 51 to 15 months, you can do it in 45 days. Every 3 days, people get their 2 people. And they pay, and then this is the commission you're going to make. Okay, this is what you could do if you're doing a program. You want to illustrate, right? If somebody wants to get in at 50, see right here on top, I told them to type in the amount of $50. So they came in at $50, each one of their the 2 sales and their 2 sales, and they get this much. If they came in at $100, watch, my numbers will change. See, my numbers change to 3.2 million. If they came in at $500, my numbers will change to 16 millions. When you get this, means the number is too big. We have to increase the field. There you go. 1.6 million and 16 million. So this is to show you the power of the spreadsheet. You can create your data and you can keep changing your data. If we put $1,000, the numbers will change. You don't have to go and recalculate. You calculate once and the formulas will do it. So basically we have the 1 month or 3 days, 2 sales, stay standard. This is now taking, this field is called D4. So this is the input amount, D4 times D9. Excuse me. So I saying 1,000 times whatever is in here, that's $2,000. Then we go to the next column and we take E9, which is the 2,000. Excuse me. We take the 2,000 divided by 2 because there's 2 legs, right? And we get $1,000. This one we're going to take F9 and we're taking 10% from that is $100. So you can see the formulas are all here. So whatever, if I put $60, all the numbers will change. This is the power of a spreadsheet. It allows you to create whatever you're creating and formula wise, and you can test models, you can test different scenarios and different expectation by changing the number. Say if people came with this amount, if I invest this amount, if I start my data at $1, or if you're doing calculations for science, if I'm going to start by going 1 centimeter, or maybe I'm going to go 2 centimeters, what will the possible results be based upon the numbers on your calculation? So this is the power of when you're using these spreadsheets.